Okay, so we're gonna do the UDOIT 01. We're gonna start with that one. So it's a loan application. So I'm going to Visual Studio and do the first part, which is to create the new project. So I'm gonna go to new project, and then I'm gonna call this loan app. Loan app. And then it asks to create a class called loan. So to do that, again, there are different ways you could do the same file, but I'm gonna add a new class file. So I'm gonna call this loan, and I'm gonna copy the properties. So here we have the three properties. Let's keep going there. And then at the top of the file, enter the following code to add to the demo loan. So we're gonna change the demo loan. Well, I called the project loan app, and I'm going to rename the program. So I'm gonna rename the program to demo loan. Again, this is not mandatory, but I'm just gonna try to follow this as close. So it's demo loan. That's the name of the file in the class that runs the application. See, this is the application which has the main, so demo loan. Sorry, this should be demo loan. Okay, and then we have some code that we're gonna add inside. We're gonna create a loan and write its output. So as you can see, we declare and create a new loan, we set the members, some values, and then we write the output to the console, and we wait for the key so we can run this. Let's try to run it. So here's what we have. That's good, that's okay. So we have already saved as demo loan.cs, so we are done with that. Now let's extend the class. Let's create a car loan. So we're going to create a child of loan. So we're going to go back there. I'm going to create in a separate file. You can create in the same file, that's fine, as long as it's not inside the other class. But I'm just going to create and add a new class called car loan. And car loan has a few properties. Let's have a look. Well, first of all, it inherits from loan, so we have to do column and then loan. So this means that it inherits from loan. What else we have? We have two extended properties, a year and a make, which are auto properties. So here's what we have: the year and the make, integer and string. Let's keep going there. And then it asks to go back to, actually before that, it asks to rename the demo loan to the demo car loan. Okay, so I'm going to save this demo loan. I'm going to save as, so save as demo car loan. Let's check that. So demo car loan, we are renaming the file, and I'm going to also rename the class just to follow the same standard. So demo car loan. Now we still have the older one there. If we click on show all files, you see the demo loan is still there, but now we have a new one called demo car loan. Now the exercise is asking for us to go back to main and create a few lines of code after the ones from the loan. Now this time around, the car loan, we have to create a car loan, and there are a few lines of code that we have to set the properties. So I'm going to create a car loan. Here's the declaration and the creation, and then I'm going to set some values. I'm going to give some spacing just to make it clear, just to make this more organized. So we have car loan here, a car loan, and a loan here. Okay, and then we also have a block that shows the information about the car loan, which you're gonna write just around here. So it will just write the properties of the car loan, and we have a second one as well. Let's follow that. You see, it's just writing the output, and we have a second one that shows the other properties. So we're gonna go back there, and here we have. So we did in 2 lines, right line. So loan number, loan name, sorry, loan number, last name, loan amount, and then loan number again. And then we are showing the make and the year of the car in the next line. So let's run this. And here's what we have, okay, which is what we are expecting.